Hi, I'm Teacher Hernan and welcome to Math for You. In this video, the topic is about reciprocals. But before that, please subscribe if you are new to this channel and click that bell icon if you want to be updated with my latest videos. Now let's do these simple exercises here for you to better understand what reciprocals are and how to get the reciprocal. Okay, let's start with the first one. 6 times blank is equal to 1. Can you tell me what's the missing number? Yes, you're right. It's 1 over 6. Remember, this is a whole number. It has a denominator 1. So if you multiply 6 times 1, that's 6, right? 1 times 6, that's 6. 6 over 6 is the same as 1 whole. So again, the missing here is 1/6. What about number 2? 3/4 times blank will give you 1. Yes, you're right. It's 4/3. Because 3 times 4 is 12. 4 times 3 is 12. And 12/12 is the same as 1 whole. What about for the last number here? What do you think is the missing factor? When you multiply these two, the product is 1. Yes, that's 4/5. How to get 4/5? Okay, since this is a mixed number, so if you change this to you need to change this to improper fraction. Again, multiply, then add. So this is 4 times 1 is 4 plus 1, that's 5, over, copy the denominator 4. So if you multiply 5/4 times 4/5, that will give you 20/20. And this is just the same as 1 whole. When we talk of reciprocals, these are simply two numbers. When you multiply, they will give you always a product of 1. So meaning 6 and 1/6 here are reciprocals because they will give you a product of 1. So with 3/4 and 4/3, they are reciprocals because they will give you a product of 1. And 1 and 1/4 and 4/5 rather are reciprocals because they will give you a product of 1. So how did we get the reciprocal of each number here? If you notice, this is 6/1. If you switch 6 and 1, that will give you 1/6, right? So with this, if you switch the 3 and the 4, that will give you 4/3. But for mixed number, before you switch the numerator and denominator, change first to improper fraction before you switch the numerator and the denominator. Again, to get the reciprocal of a number, we simply switch the numerator and the denominator. Now let's discuss some more examples how to get the reciprocal of a number. Let's set the first one. How to get the reciprocal of 10, or what's the reciprocal of 10? Again, 10 is a whole number, so the denominator is 1. So if you switch the 10 and the 1, you will get 1/10. So the reciprocal of 10 is 1/10. What about 5/8? What's the reciprocal of 5/8? Again, if you switch the 5 and 8, you will get 8/5. So the reciprocal of 5/8 is 8/5. What about the third one? What's the reciprocal of 4 and 1/3? Again, this is a mixed number. Change first to improper fraction. Again, multiply, then add 1. 4 times 3, 12 plus 1. That's 13. Copy the denominator, 3. So, 4 and 1/3 is the same as 13/3. So, how to get or what is the reciprocal now of this number? Again, switch the numerator and denominator. So, our answer is 3/13. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.